Good storytelling inspires me. In travel, there are stories awakening everywhere I look. But travel is unpredictable, and there are no second chances to get that right shot or capture a story. I never know what to truly expect until I arrive.
I always pack up a carry-on bag here where I have my laptop and my hard drive just in case I want to work.
SanDisk sent me their Extreme Portable SSD 2TB drive to use in the field. They asked if I'd share a bit of my solo travel filming process with you. Because as a solo female content creator documenting my travels, much of my filming relies upon the gear I use. Its ease, weight, and performance reliability.
Kathmandu? That way?
I don't always have a lot of time in a place, so I have to work quickly. I need gear that can help me navigate on foot, public transportation, or in unexpected settings. From exploring an adventurous and timeless Nepal and trekking its rugged but rolling hills to hitting the fast-track lifestyle of a pulsing Tokyo. I can honestly say, I've been putting the Extreme Portable SSD through the test. And I can easily say it's been a game changer for my work process.
63 gigabytes of footage. There are times that I'm doing things in less than optimum situations. Like right now, I'm sort of living out of this locker because I'm staying at the capsule hotel. Reshifting and packing and charging. So, 2 chargers there, one over there, and one more down there. When I'm in the heat like this, I have limited hours on my feet as well as just patience. So rather than wear myself out early or to start screwing up on shots or getting like messy shots or ugly shots, that's when I have to start taking my time a little bit more, conserving my energy. Not to mention, because of this heat, my batteries are exhausting really quickly, charging like at least 3 batteries. Waiting for them to finish up so I can add more on. It's around 9:15 right now. I probably need to get outside and get some dinner or something. When you're traveling to a country for the very first time, you're navigating it alone and figuring out how to get around while filming yourself doing it so that you can show other people how to do it and how it's doable. The act of solo travel intensifies. Also, I just did a food tour today, and so my stomach is very full. My dinner is there in that bag. It's just a salad, a regular garden salad, and I will be eating that tonight.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more of my solo travel adventures as I take you inside and knock off my bucket lists of travel. Leave your comment down below and let me know what you think of my video. Above all, may the GRRR be with you.